What's going on, y'all? That boy Gam back in the building, man, with another video. I just wanted to touch on something today, man. So this video today is for my beginners who just starting to work on Pro Tools, man. If you are an artist, and you just got Pro Tools, you really don't know anything about how it works. You just getting started. So this is for y'all because for me, I had to learn how to use my Pro Tools on my own, and when I was searching for videos and tutorials or whatever, it was just that a lot of people talk in so much of a technical way. Like they use all the technical terms and all of that. And I know a lot of people who just start and who want to just start using their Pro Tools to record their songs. You can't understand all the lingo and everything. You don't know how it works. So what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to give you the simplest way to get your first song started. Get your song started, go ahead and rap on it, record on it. Then you learn how to mix and master, paste the hook, all of that stuff comes later. But it's just as far as you getting started with your first song, recording the vocals, uploading the beat, all of that. So this is for y'all. I'm teaching y'all as I'm learning. So when I learn something, I'm gonna share it, So let's get into it. All right, y'all. So first thing is, once you open up Pro Tools, it's gonna show you this here where it says dashboard. And you just going to go to create. And then it's gonna ask you to title it. So I'll just title this one just test. I might have a few tests already. Okay, so hit create. It's gonna take you here. So once you get here, first thing you want to do is you want to upload your instrumental. So especially for rappers, if you uploading an instrumental, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to file, and then you're gonna go to import. It'll be import audio. So you click on audio. And it's gonna take you to your files where you should be able to find your instrumental, So let's just say I'm gonna add this instrumental, click on it, double click, or just hit convert, or done here, my bad. There, you hit open again. Then you're gonna say new track because you want this to pop up on a new track. And then there you see you will have your instrumental. It'll pop up right there for you. So the instrumental is there. So next thing you want to do is you want to create the tracks that you're going to actually record your vocals on. So you go to tracks here, click on tracks, new, click on new, and then however many you want to start with, I'll just say 6 right now. So hit 6. You don't really have to change none of this. Go to create. And then there you go. It just created 6 audio tracks for you where you can record your vocals. Just see here. Okay, so one of the next things you want to do that's a lot of people, get stuck here, don't know exactly what's going on, but I'll show you. If you go to the window and then you go to the mix window, you're going to see here are the channels for you, the tracks that you have. Okay, so the first one is where the beat is. See, the name of the beat is down here where it says drip. Now, this first track here is going to already be set here where it says input 1. So when you using your mic, so you should already have you know your interface and your mic hooked up and connected to Pro Tools. So this input 1, this input also here, the next one, you see how it's on 2? This one is supposed to also be on 1. So if you go to interface, put that one to 1, because once you finish recording on this first one, you're going to go to the next one and try to record, and the microphone's not going to be working because it has to be it has to be on the same input 1, or if they're all on 2, then they should all be on 2 if you got the mic plugged into the that input. But input 1, you got to change it from 1 to 2 if it's not there. So I'll go back. Edit window. That's how you go back. This is the edit window, and that's the mix window, So after that, you want to click on here, this little record bubble, to enable that one. Once it starts blinking, you know that you are recording on this track right here. And then you want to go ahead and push it there too, the record button. Both of them blinking. And then once you got both of them blinking, then you know you're ready to record. So once you're ready to record, you're just going to go to the play button, hit play. And as you can see, this is where your first vocal will start to record, like so. Now, I'm going to just show you real quick. If you go to this next one, this is how you go to the next one. Click that one to stop it. Click the next one to load this next one on. Hit that again, record again, play again, and you'll see that now you're recording the second layer. So as of recording, you can go ahead and, go ahead and record your song just like that. Record your song, get all the vocals down that you want on the beat, and then you go from there. All right, y'all. So that's all it is to it, man. And you can learn the next steps after that. Everything, so you can learn piece by piece. But first, you just want to get started. So that's how you do it, man. I hope that was helpful. Gam tapping out. Y'all check my links. My new single I just dropped, Jackie Chan, is out on all platforms. My album Hill Boy is out. Videos, timeline, going global video, organic out. I got a lot of stuff out. So y'all check my links out, and I'll catch y'all next time. Gam tapping out.